Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you how to create this really cute pastel inspired makeup look. So to begin, we're going to apply foundation, and I'm just using the Be Beauty foundation from Superdrug, which is a really nice matte finish. Then I'm just going to take my concealer from Tarte and I'm just going to apply this under the eyes and in any problematic areas. To set everything in place, I'm going to take my powder, which is also from Tarte, and I'm just going to use a fluffy brush to pat this all over my face. So next I'm going to fill in my eyebrows using an eyeshadow colour that is very similar to my own, and I'm just going to use a flat angled brush to fill in my eyebrows. For eyeshadow, I'm going to take my I Love Revolution Mermaid Heart palette, and I'm just going to use this really gorgeous blue colour, and I'm going to apply this all over my eyelids, and I'm just going to angle it out as well. I'm just going to take this white highlighter colour and I'm just going to apply this onto the inner corners of my eyes. So next up, I'm going to take my Revolution Creative Volume 1 palette, and I'm going to take this really cute baby pink eyeshadow colour, and I'm just going to apply this onto my bottom lash line. Just to make the colour stand out a little bit more, I'm going to add also a little bit of the brighter pink colour as well. So next I'm going to take this golden shimmery shade and I'm just going to apply this under my eyebrows. So now it's time for mascara, and I'm going to be using my mascara that's from Tarte, and I'm just going to apply this onto both my top and bottom lashes. Just to make my lashes stand out even more, I'm going to add some falsies just to make my eyes look a little bit bolder. Next, I'm going to take this bronzed colour and I'm just going to apply this under my cheekbones just to add a little bit of definition and a bit of colour, and I'm just going to apply a bit over my nose as well just to tie it all in. To add a little bit of dewiness to my cheeks, I'm going to apply a subtle amount of highlighter. I'm also going to apply a small amount of blush just to add a little bit of extra colour onto my cheeks. Now it's time for the fun part. I'm going to take a liquid eyeliner and I'm just going to draw a really cute little heart shape onto my cheek. For lips, I'm just going to use this Matte Me Up liquid lipstick from Bybel, and this is a really sweet pinky shade. So this is the finished look. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I want to say thank you so much for watching, and maybe I'll see you soon. Bye!